Assalamualaikum.
Hi,
How are you?
fine, thank you.
Should I come here? Assalamualaikum. Okay. Thank you. I hope I will fit in here. So, how are you doing?
Well,
Things good?
how are you with the hot weather?
It is a hot weather, yes. It is like very hot. I mean, where are we going now?
Now we are going to see a refugee camp.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can review something to them.
Okay.
So let's see.
Are the refugees from Afghanistan, right?
Yeah,
They're from
Shibergan.
Shabarkan? Okay, they're from other provinces.
Yeah.
Okay, where they have problem, where they have fight and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we just found out this brother. What's your name?
Amanullah.
Amanullah. So in front of us, Amanullah is going to take us to the refugee camp here and we are going to see and meet them, and hopefully we'll have some good insight how they live. Let's go. Afghan driving is on the best. They don't care where the road is, so just they move anywhere where they have some empty place, just get in. Okay, we wanted to buy something. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes.
Okay, so okay. Now this is what that we bought for the children at the refugee camp. Okay. Okay, so we have almost reached the refugee camp here. Around 10-15 kilometers outside of the city of Mazar Sharif. Look at this cute girl. Cute little girl. Does not look good in this weather, and cannot imagine how the life is here. So they are trying to make them a bit. Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum. So they are trying to build a stone building or the brick buildings, maybe to give them permanent place to live. But as of now, so they're just living in tents. We'll get off the car and go inside and see how their life is. Amirullah just told me that there are around 700 to 800 people, children, men and women, living here in these refugee camps, in these tents. So we are here. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. As soon as we came here, there are so many kids, as you can see. You can see they have surrounded us. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Alfred? Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Ah, you're so cute. Assalamu alaikum. What is this? You're eating bread? Yeah. I cannot imagine that staying here on a day when there's like 40-45 degrees outside and there's no shade and no shelter. What happened here? What is this? Fight? Huh? Aarti, okay. Oh, yeah. Look, he is cute baby. Huh? Hello. What's your name? नाम क्या है? नाम? Maria. Maria? हाँ. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? परिश्ना. Oh, cute परिश्ना. तुम्हारा नाम? फरवा. Farwa. Fariba. Fariba. Oh wow. They're so cute kids. Do they go to school somewhere? No. I mean,
Actually,
or someone comes here?
some of them are going to schools, but
Okay.
not all of them.
Okay, so how do they decide then who will go to school and who will not go to school?
So their family decides.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the family say okay, so she will go and he will not
Yeah,
go
yeah.
or something. Okay. Some biscuits and some juice. So just to help them maybe for a day, I don't know, for this cold weather. I let only Amin do this because then otherwise it will be a mess. I think it's not the last trip to Afghanistan. I will be coming here again and again and try to help the people as much as possible. And I will also need your help. If you help me, and I will try to help them as well here. So we have to come up with an idea how to help them. But look, let's see. There are some old ladies and some young girls and babies and boys and girls. They're all waiting. Maybe they will find something. I hope we have enough for everyone. I really hope. I hope we make them happy. And these kids and families, I think they have no idea what Corona is, what is happening in the outside life. So no one is thinking about them that even they will also need, I don't know, maybe vaccination or something like that. As I said, it's my first time here and it's not the last time. I will be coming here again and again. If I can do something for them, and that is only possible with your help. If you also want to support, we have to come up with some idea. How can we support them? So we need some more tents. We need some more toilets.
Yeah.
We need some more food for them. And maybe we can also have a school here. But step by step we have to find a way to help them. How do you get it?
We get from Turkey.
From Turkey?
Yeah.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Another refugee camp here. See how do they live? They live in those tents. So we just say that okay, children come here, and one guy went out like boy and say okay, all children come here. If they allow us to see the tent or to see how they are living.
So as of the weather, some of them they didn't stay here, so went from here. So that's
Okay.
why. This is the reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why it's empty.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know that? Where did they go?
Actually, we don't know. We don't have any information.
Okay. So as the weather is so hot, many places like this, and they're empty, and they went somewhere we don't know. Like they don't know where they went.
Because
Hopefully
of
they
the
are,
hot weather.
yeah. Hopefully they are safe wherever they are. Okay, look, she is cleaning inside, and here, this is where they live. Assalamu alaikum. How many people they live in this tent?
Three person.
Three
My
persons.
mom, my sister, and me.
Okay, so these three. And where is the father of him?
Hazar. Has another.
In the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. So there are only three of them, like so mother and they too.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Not much. Yeah.
How much? Kifayatullah. And you? Safura. Safura? Yeah? Why are you so sad? Oh, this cute little girl, she's just smiling.
Assalamu
She's so
alaikum.
cute. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. There are also many children. I found here many children. Okay. Because I see here some tents from UNHCR. Those toilets are from the EU, or from European Union or what? So they have here toilets and they have here some tents. But as you can see that for I don't know how many hundred people who live here, they have only 1, 2, 3 and 4 toilets I think, and that is not enough. I just don't want to compare it when it's at home, because at home if we have 3 or 4 people and we have 1 or 2 toilets and we complain that we have to wait for a toilet. But here, look at them. They have only 3 or 4 toilets for how many people? Maybe 100 people, 55, 60, I don't know. It was not planned to come here. I just spoke with Amin that you can go somewhere, and they said yes. We're just gonna see how can we help them, because they are the real ones who need help among many others in the world, in a sense that they have some goats and some bricks wall around them, a tandoor or an oven where they can cook something, and that's how they live.
کاکا میتونیم داخل خیمه یک بار ببینیم؟ داخل خیمه یک بار ببینیم.
Okay, we have to ask them before to do something because we don't want to. We don't want them. Okay, so they are cooking here.
Yeah,
They are cooking here something. Okay. This is the tent where they live. Okay, and it is even hard for me to get in because I'm a little bit too tall. And because the back there is like their kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is. Can I go there? Okay, so here is the is the kitchen equipment like oil, some kitchen utensils, maybe some food, some rice and flour, and here they sleep. How many people sleep here?
چند نفر میگه اینجا زندگی میکنن در این خیمه؟ 4 people.
4 people.
Yeah.
So his whole family.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 4 people they sleep in this small tent. And there they cook. And if there is something wrong, something goes wrong there. So the fire can start, and that's also one of the reasons that many people die. We have to find a way. How can we help them? Maybe I can create one of the my Patreon account and ask you people to donate in that account, and all whatever we will have, I will bring it here in Afghanistan to these refugees. If you have a better idea how can we help them, please write down in the comment section, and I will be happy to come here again and again, take the risky trip, and that is only going to happen with your help. If you help me, I can come here to help them as well. I'm just like keeping myself away from the female. I don't want to annoy them. And there are also some fighter planes flying somewhere. As I said that there was today a blast in Balkh, in the sense in the middle of Balkh city center, and because of that there is tight security. A bit happy that I could do at least a very little thing about them to make the kids happy. But they need some more. Please do something for them, and if we can do something like you and I, if we can help, we can donate something together. As I said, I will make my a Patreon account. I will see how can I do this, and so special, maybe one account special for them. So all the money in that account, what you will send, we'll bring it here and make something better for them. And for that, I need your help as much as possible. It's like only a small little amount. I don't know, maybe 50 cents, €1 or $1. It can make a big difference for them. I'm signing off. Bye bye.